Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the Vision School में podcast. Dear students, as you know, I'm your teacher Sir Zishan Khalid, and in today's video we are going to start a new chapter of your new class level 8, that is sets. Dear students, in daily life you can see a lot of examples of sets: sofa set, chair set, dinner set, plate set, glass set, and etc. Dear students, now the question here is that what is a set? Set is a group of well-defined distinct objects. Now, so what is the meaning of well-defined distinct objects? Well-defined means if you listen the name of the group and the members come in your mind. Just like if I talk about chair set, I know there are 4 chairs and a table. If I talk about sofa set, I know there's a big seat, 2 small seats and a table. And if I talk about dinner set, I know there will be spoons, bowls, dishes and etc. and plates. Dear students, in the same way, when I take the name of any set, the members should come in your mind. Okay, as I gave you the examples. But what if I ask you set of intelligent doctors of a hospital? You don't know who is intelligent and who is not. So this is not a well-defined set. Well-defined set is that set in which when you listen the name of a set, the members instantly comes in your mind. Okay, so let's move towards the further things about it. Now we are going to discuss some important sets here. Just like let's start from natural numbers. The sign here is capital N and the numbers start with 1, 2, 3 and onwards. Talking about whole numbers, the sign is capital W. As you know that for representing or for denoting a set we use a capital letter, and inside of the bracket or inside of the set or the bracket small letters will come. Okay, that's for sure, good. W is the sign of whole number and the numbers will start from 0, 1, 2, 3. If the numbers are starting from 1, they are called natural numbers, and if the numbers are starting with 0, they are called whole numbers. After that we have even numbers. You know it very well, the sign is E, and even numbers are those numbers which are divided by, completely divided by 2. So 0, 2, 4, 6 and so on. So why 0 is an even number? 0 is an even number because when it comes at the end of any number, it can be divided by 2 completely. That's why 0 is also called an even number. Talking about the odd numbers, set of odd numbers, O is the sign of this, and odd numbers are those numbers which are not completely divisible by 2. So those are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. After that we have integers. Integers, what are integers, sir? Integers are those numbers, Z is the sign. If you will write plus on it, it will become positive integers, and if you will write minus on it, it will become negative integers. But we are here talking about just integers, so it will be 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3 and so on. Dear students, if you will have only numbers with minus, those will be called, as I told you, negative integers. The sign will be Z minus. And if the numbers are only with plus sign, those numbers will be called positive integers, means 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Dear students, few more important sets are prime number. Set of prime number, capital P is the sign, and inside will be 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. So what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which are divisible by itself or by 1. So these are those numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself, means 1 ones are 1, and this is 1 2s are 2 and 2 1s are 2, and in the same way all the numbers. When talking about rational and irrational numbers are those numbers which can be written in the form of fraction numbers. For suppose 4 upon 3, it will be 1 upon 3. Numbers like these are called fractional. Okay, and we will talk about this rational numbers and irrational numbers in chapter number 2 in detail, inshallah ta'ala. And talking about irrational numbers, these numbers are not fractional, means they can be written in the form of radicals, radical 2, or in other words, the power of theirs is fractional. The power is fractional, and here the power can be of minus. For suppose if I am writing 1 upon 2, I can write this, when I will take this up, the power will be changed in minus, so 2 power minus. Here the power is in minus and here the power is in fraction. These are called rational and irrational numbers. In talking about real numbers is q union q complement, means q dash also you can say that, means rational and irrational numbers union is called real number. In other words, every type of a number is called real number. Dear students, let's move towards set notation, set representation, how we can write different forms of set, how we can write sets in different form. There are 4 to 5 ways, but in today's video we are only going to discuss only 3 ways of writing a set. So let's move towards that. So dear students, let's talk about set notation, how to write the sets. So number 1 form is tabular form, in which we write the numbers and the alphabets or the names of the set directly in bracket. That form is called tabular form. Right now here you can see this 1 2 3 4 or A B C D, or Monday, Tuesday, Friday, Saturday means a name of the days of the week. Let's transform these sets in a descriptive form. For suppose let's transform this one. Descriptive form means writing the set in theory, in English, in sentence form. That is called descriptive form. Here set number 1 is A, that is 1 2 3 4. I will write it as set of first 4. As I told you, if the counting is starting from 1, it will be called natural numbers. First 4 natural numbers. So this is descriptive form. Third form is bit confusive, that is set builder form. You'll have to practice a lot to be perfect in this one. For learning about set builder form, you'll need these symbols here most of the times. So this is the sign of greater than, this is the sign of less than, greater than and equals to, less than and equals to, such that, belongs to, and subset and improper subset. Now students, what we'll have to do is that we'll have to understand this set that is written here, that x of x belongs to, this sign is used here, we will read it in English, x of x belongs to which set? 1 2 3 4 is a natural number set, so that's why I have written here n, capital N, that is the sign of natural numbers, such that here 1 is also included and numbers greater than 1 are also included. That's why I have used this set here. Okay, for between I will not use this equal to sign here, I will just use less than and greater than. But here 1 is also included and 4 is also included, and the numbers between them are also included. That's why I have written 1 and greater than 1, and 4 and less than 4 are included. If we will write this as tabular form, this will become 1. As I said, 1 is also included. Greater than 1 numbers are 2 and 3, and 4 is also included here. So this is the set, and as you can see here, both sets are equal. Dear students, hope so now the concepts are clear of set notation. Let's talk about a bit of classes of sets or types of set. Those are null set, finite set and infinite set. Null set is that set in which there is no element. Just like if I talk about a classroom, it's always empty. It's we, the students and the teacher, who fill it up. When there is no element, the set is empty, and the way to write is this empty bracket or to cut this 0. If you will write this as, this is wrong. So the way is this or this way is wrong. Talking about the finite set is that set in which the members of the set are countable, okay, and infinite set is that set in which the members are uncountable. And the identification of infinite in mathematically is 1 2 3 and these 3 dots here, these 3 dots are here, the identification of infinite set that is used in mathematical way of writing the set. Dear students, hope so now the concepts are clear and it will be easier for you to understand and do your homework by yourself. For question and queries, please join our live sessions, and if you are unable to join our live sessions due to any reason, please you can contact me anytime on school's WhatsApp group. We'll meet in next video. Till next video, Allah Nigeban.